No,
coming from that
it's
background.
a
Yeah.
big story. Look, Muthu, I know one thing. Lots of students are privileged that they used to study in the good institution. But I can honestly, proudly say that you are one of the students. I was fortunate that I was your teacher at that particular time. Okay. So you are one of
Yes,
the basically, I would say you are one of the right example where you can get the scholarship without having any extra sheets. You can also get the scholarship completing the examination in 2 hours, right? So
yes, sir.
it's altogether the things because it is the content, right, which give you the
Definitely, sir.
marks, not the all the theories kind of a things which most of the students used to do it. Okay. And
Yes, sir.
lots of students in your class used to tease you that since you don't have the smartphone, how you are going to manage and all. But nobody knows the story behind the story. Okay. Because the story is very
Yes,
simple. If you want to have the smartphone, you need to invest at least 10 to 12,000 rupees at that particular
sir.
time. And that 10 to
Yes,
12
sir.
and that 10 to 12,000 rupees can feed you at least for 1.5 month. Right. So
Sure, sir.
feeding yourself is more important than having the smartphone. Right. So that's the
Yes,
thing.
sir.
So how was your college journey and all?
So college, regarding that 2 hours exam, so starting from my school days, it was my teachers who, like in school days, I was having teachers from all around India because I
Right.
studied in Kendriya Vidyalaya. My teacher was from Haryana, Rajasthan, like all over states. Like they were saying only one thing, and they were also new because my school is located in remote village. It is their first posting, so they were also so much excited to give it to us. They say only one thing to me, like to all the students: don't fill up the papers, write the contents. If it is for 10 marks, they are looking for 10 keywords which they want to give marks. They want 10 like content. If you give answers directly what they are asking, you will get full marks. Don't mess around with the words. Don't mess around with like this and that. So what I used to do in even in 12th boards also, I finished my exam in 2 hours, sir.
Yes.
Even like because I know the content. If they are asking question, I know the answer. I know to frame it what they want. It should be easy for the if the checker is also like feeling key, they will be also what my teachers have said. Even checker will be happy to see the answer in one line, or like if you can stick up the content to 10 lines for 10 marks, and you have given all the contents in the 10 lines, they will easily give you 10 marks. They don't want your paragraphs, they want the answers. And if you give correct answers, you will get full marks. I followed the same thing in my college also. So whenever I ask, like question is asked to me, I will give direct answers. What is the real answer? I don't want to mess around with words. I don't want to give extra things. Like what is asked, I will give that, and I will get marks. That's also.
Right. And what
when
about
I
the
when I am clear in my mind, when I am clear in my mind, that this is the content, this is the right answer. I have the clarity, and I gave it, sir.
You mean to say, for any kind of a things, the thought process should be very streamlined, very crystal clear, so that the things are in shape, right?
ये सर जब प्रिपरेशन में हमें क्लैरिटी आता है, कंटेंट पता है कि क्लैरिटी हमें पता है कि ये इसका आंसर यही है, तो हम कॉन्फिडेंटली दे सकते हैं कि इतना ही काफी है कि वो पूरा आंसर्स कवर हो जाए कि उस 10 लाइन में. तो क्लैरिटी शुड बी देयर इन द आंसर्स. एंड इफ क्लैरिटी इज देयर, कंटेंट विल बी श्रिंक ऑटोमेटिकली, सर, एंड यू विल गेट द मार्क्स.
Now, Muthu, good to know that you know also how to speak Hindi as well. Fine, fine, fine. Absolutely fine.